Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's JASMY video update. This is going to be a very quick one, and JASMY is moving, and the reason why the last time I did leave you with this update was that I talked about how JASMY can actually move and make a double bottom, and so far we did that. So if you do watch the last video on JASMY on the channel, this was where it really left you, literally left you, and right now we're moving up to 12409. That's the technical target, of course, and if I do dive into the daily, then you're looking for that beautiful printed out double bottom, isn't it? So first bottom there, second bottom, a break to the upside, and now you're really looking good to go up to that level, which is going to be 0.012432, and you hold this level. Maybe from here you could get rejected and start moving to the downside, but you never know. When you start making double bottoms like this, you could actually move higher. It's a different story. So it is what it is at this point of time, and this is going to be just that simple, short, sweet updates that I do, and I don't see there's any more explanation needed. The only thing I can say is that a big stop loss should be placed down at the last point here at the 9626. If you somehow come down there, that means you're losing the neckline and you're losing the bullish pattern as well. As far as it's not happening like that, this is your technical target here, and that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.